Hello, Soil friends. It is Monday, March 30th in the year 2020. And I don't know about you, but I feel like this is almost like another first day of school. I kind of am feeling that excitement that I have at the beginning of the year and, kind of looking forward to seeing everybody again. So I hope that you're feeling excited about it too. It's a whole brand new, learning world for all of us, and I hope that you're really excited about it. Remember that it's only about 7.5 weeks, and it's going to be a little bumpy at first, and that's okay. Just communicate with your teachers if you're having concerns or problems, and they will be happy to help you. But remember to stay patient and stay calm and just kind of keep pushing through the weirdness of how it's going to be at first. Okay, so this is my daily video. I'm going to do a quick little daily video in the mornings for you guys, for just a little check-in. I'm going to keep it very lighthearted, pass on kind of some cool little information at the beginning for you guys, and share some neat things that I think can be, can make you laugh or make you, think and make you learn something new. Okay, so today, one of the first things I'm going to do every day is I'm going to say hello and goodbye in a different language every day. So today I chose American Sign Language. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to say actually hello friend in sign language. So here we go. Are you ready? Do it with me. To say hello, you put your hand up like this. You drop your thumb over your palm. And then it's kind of like a little bit of a salute. Right up here, you just say hello. Okay? Hello. And then to do friend, you're going to use your two pointer fingers and you're just going to link them this way and then link them that way. That's friend, okay? Friend. All right, so here we go. Hello, friend. Okay, now I'm going to show you a couple of other really cool things each day, and I'm going to put them up on a little slide just so we kind of keep track of what we've been doing and sharing with each other. So I'm going to click my screen and I'm going to share that slide with you. It's just fun information, just interesting stuff for us to share with each other, just to kick your day off right. So here you go. The first thing is our hello and our goodbye, Monday, March 30th. I'm going to have a calendar to help you keep track of what day is it, because I know that can kind of escape our mind. And then the weather. The weather apparently is supposed to be really beautiful today, super sunny, high of 33, but it looks like it's going to get really cold tonight, and I think there's some snow coming up, just so you can keep track of the outside world. And then today's holidays, things that are special about today, I think is really interesting that March 30th every year is National Doctors Day. And it's a day where we celebrate the contributions of doctors and how they take care of everybody. And I think especially with everything that's going on in the world right now, what a great day. What a great thing to be celebrating today, our doctors. But also we need to celebrate our nurses and our lab technicians and all of the wonderful people who are, stepping out there and taking care of us today and every day. So I thought that was really neat that was today. The other thing that's today that is very Alaskan, and I don't know if you already know this or not, but today is Seward's Day. And this is when we celebrate the signing of the treaty between Russia and the United States when the U.S. bought Russia from them, and Alaska actually became a U.S. territory. And it's Seward's Day because William Seward was the Secretary of State at the time, and he's the one who put together the transaction. Remember that they bought all of Alaska for $7.2 million, which even now is a lot. So can you imagine way back then, that was even more. But what's really interesting about that purchase price is the fact that means that Alaska only cost the U.S. 2 cents per acre. So I want you to think about that. A lot of people live on an acre or a half acre. Imagine if you bought the land where your house is for only 2 cents. I mean, what a bargain. What a great deal. So today is Seward's Day, very Alaska. The other thing that I'm going to do right now with you is give you a really cool word of the day. And if you guys can go into our Google Classroom and comment in the stream today and only today, using our cool word, I'll give you a point in Class Dojo. So we're going to find ways to kind of rack up these Class Dojo points and keep track of who can get the most points for the dojo. So our word for today is dysania. Dysania. D-Y-S-A-N-I-A, dysania. I think that you guys are going to relate to this because dysania means finding it difficult to get out of bed in the morning. So I'm saying to you, I'm guessing that a bunch of you were feeling some dysania this morning after 3 weeks of spring break. Am I right? Yeah, I bet I'm right. So dysania. And then of course we have a brain teaser, but I'm going to do the brain teaser videos and post them after lunch. So come back later on today and I will show you what a malapropism is. I think you're going to think that they're very funny. So I want to share that with you on Mondays. I'm going to do a malapropism. The last thing that I want to leave you with is just a tip. And that tip is to make sure that you are going on to my website. Here you go. Here's the address. Okay. Make sure that if you have not gone onto the website that you do that sometime today, because I want you to join our Google Classroom, because that's typically where I'm going to show the videos. It's typically where I'm going to put any kind of resources and links to things that I think you might find useful or that you might need. If you want to schedule a one-on-one session with Mrs. Smith for during the day, I can help you with homework, or classwork, or something that you're struggling with. If you just want to talk and catch up, whatever, I'm happy to help you. But the survey to sign up for that one-on-one time is through the Google Classroom. So make sure that you go to the site, make sure that you click on the link that takes you over to our Google Classroom and join the Google Classroom, okay, so that I can keep in touch with you that way. All right. Remember that if you get time today, you can always pop into one of your online programs if you feel like it. And really, that's it. I just hope that you guys have a wonderful day back. Be sure that you comment in the stream using our word for the day, and I'll give you some Class Dojo points. Otherwise, I really hope that you guys are doing great, and I am looking forward to being able to actually talk to you soon in some kind of online way. All right, you guys have a great first day back. Here's goodbye in sign language. You already know it. Bye, guys.